Guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing as well as doing a look using all of these Lottie London products. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my face, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I did not use a few products in today's look, but I wanted to go ahead and give those some honorable mentions and show you guys what they are. So the first two little products that I did not use are the Hot Cocoa and Marshmallow Nourishing Lip Oils. This one does smell like a chocolate kind of scent. This one is more floral to me. It's not giving marshmallow, but I am really excited to try these nonetheless. They have jojoba oil in them, avocado oil, and sweet almond oil. The next product I did not use in today's look are these Stick to It nail gems. I guess I could have used them as the rhinestones on my eyes, but I didn't really think about it. And then the last product I did not use in today's look is the Cheeky Glow Liquid Highlighter Wand. But this is such an amazing product. I have tried this out before. Just click it to unlock it. And there is your product coming right now. And this is beautiful nonetheless. I just did not use it today because I used the powder highlighters instead. And if you did not know, Lottie London is the sister company to Ciate London. I absolutely love Ciate. I use them all the time. And something that I learned today is there's another sister company involved, and that is Skin Proud. Hair Proud, Body Proud. I use these products so much. Without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that I'm using is this Lottie Ready, Set, Go setting powder. This was from a previous little PR package that I received. I am just gonna set my whole face with this. All right, so now I'm gonna apply some highlights. Here we have Golden, and here is Frosted. I'm probably gonna mix these two together and apply them to the high points of my face. Here they are, super pretty. They look pretty similar on camera, but in person they are a little different. All right, so now we're gonna use this Lottie eyeshadow palette. This is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette, and this is in the style The Jewels. We are also going to be using this Lottie eye foil. This is in the shade Shady. And this is a metallic eyeshadow topper. And it is so pretty, you guys. Check that out. Cannot wait for this to get on my eyes. All right, so first I'm taking Dusk right here, and we are just going to apply that right here and blend that upwards. Now I'm going to go in with Deluxe and Hot, and we're just going to blend that up towards our brow. And then to finish off that area, I'm taking the shade Nudie and just going to place that right below my brow. Now I'm going to go in with Royal, Diamond, and Champagne, starting with Royal on the outer corner and then working our way towards the inner corner with Champagne. All right, and now I am taking those same shades that we kind of started out with and just applying them to my lower lash line area. Now I'm just taking this Lottie stamp liner. I'm not using the stamp, but I am using the liner. Now I'm using the eye foil in the shade Shady, and I'm just gonna put that right on top of this area right in here. So now we are using the Super Fake Mascara by Lottie, and this is 12-hour wear. Now I'm going in with the Lottie Glossed. This is a supercharged gloss oil tint, and this is in the shade Drenched. And here is the final look using all of these Lottie London goodies. I just want to say a big thank you to Lottie London for sending me all these goodies to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.